As if the normal S-Class interior wasn't special enough, they made it look perfect. I hate the way this looks. Just have a closer look. You see that? And something I love and just love. Soft closing doors, of course. Hello guys, I am back welcoming you all with this. Today I will be presenting you the brand new Mercedes Brabus S-Class. This is the first Brabus S-Class conversion based on the new W223 S-Class. And in today's video I will be doing a full walk around, showing you all the exterior parts, all the add-ons and highlights by Brabus. Afterwards we will be jumping inside for an interior view because it's super special on that one. So let me talk about this car in specific. Here we have the Brabus B50 S-Class. This car is based on the S500. They have pushed the performance from 435 brake horsepower up to 500 horsepower. Unfortunately, no more 8-cylinder. We have a 6-cylinder engine by Mercedes, and Brabus has decided to give it a bit more. The exterior paint is also full blacked out. We have some nice rims, some nice additional parts, and a lot to talk about. So before we continue with the video, guys, it's time to finally give you something back. It's been a great journey so far. So we've teamed up with Brabus and they've given us a lot of things from the new Brabus merch. Guys, if you want to win a hoodie, a t-shirt, a cap, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and leave a comment with hashtag Team Brabus, and I will be picking a lot of winners who will be winning one of these t-shirts, hoodies and caps. If you want to check out the Brabus merch, link is in my bio. Great quality, awesome products, love the designs. Check them out, guys. Now let's get back to the video. So let's just get right into it and start with the walk around, starting with the front. Here you can see the new S-Class. By the way, I'm in a random forest right now filming. So therefore I'm sorry for all the background noises, but I guess it's kind of cool to film here. So let's just go right into it and start with the headlights. Here we have the Mercedes-Benz stock digital light headlights. If you go and get yourself an S-Class, the digital lights option is the way you go. In the front, guys, we have the Mercedes-Benz front grille, but as we have a closer look on this is not normal chrome. Can you spot this? Brabus has redone the entire exterior, and all the chrome parts on this car have been painted to shadow chrome, which looks super cool in contrast with the black exterior paint. I'm also not sure if this is Onyx black or normal obsidian black. We have the double B on the bonnet as well. All in all, the grille looks cool, but there's something destroying the entire symmetry again, and it's the ugly looking front camera, guys. I hate the way this looks. Just have a closer look. You see that? Well, let's just skip that. You know, I'm not the biggest fan of this. As we have a look at the intakes over here, actually these are not real intakes. When you have a closer look, you see we have plastic covers behind, but Brabus has added their additional intake part, which looks super cool in addition with this nice LED light. We have the Brabus front lip also full finished in black, looking very sporty, even though it is not an AMG, guys. Just imagine Brabus working on the 63 model or the Maybach in the future. Can't wait to see this. Also, for all the Brabus fanboys, this car is registered on the bot B1 number plate. Back in the days, we had this number plate on the S900 of Konstantin Buschmann's father, Bodo Buschmann, and now it's on the new S-Class, as you can see. Let's just continue talking about the side. As I already mentioned, we have the long wheelbase here, and something I love and just love are these wheels, guys. We have the monoblock wheels on the Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Also, these are finished in full shadow chrome. These are 21 inches, the Platinum Edition monoblock M. I love the way this looks in addition with all the other shadow chrome parts. Powered by Brabus badge on the side. As I already mentioned, chrome parts all finished in shadow chrome. You can see that here. Also the side frames, super nice. The rear again, 21 inches monoblock rims. Just look, I love the way these look. Honestly, these are definitely the highlight of the entire car for me. And now let's move on and let's talk about the rear. Guys, look at this. As soon as we talk about the rear, you remember, guys, I was always a bit not really convinced when talking about the rear, but with the Brabus additional parts here, the exhaust tips, the additional rear spoiler, it looks super special. At this point, we have the Mercedes-Benz stock rear taillights, 116 pins, looking very sharp. Very nice details, Brabus badges. Yet again, the chrome bar, full finished in shadow chrome. We have the carbon fiber rear spoiler. It's huge, guys. Look at this. Wow. It looks super sporty. I love the way this looks. Double B as well. And the B50 badge on the right hand side. Now let's continue with the exhaust tips, guys. I love the way these look. I think these are also finished in shadow chrome. We have the Brabus B on them, just a rounded exhaust tips, which we already had with the S500 back in the days. The diffuser is full finished in black, and also we have some Brabus details over here. So all in all, that's how the rear looks, guys. How do you like the look of the entire car in addition with these wheels, the rear, the diffuser, the exhaust tips and the spoiler? Just leave it all in the comment section below. Now, before we start talking about the interior, let me also show you the key. But at that point, Brabus hasn't done anything. Full chrome finish, no shadow chrome on the key, unfortunately. On the back, it's normal S-Class key, which looks super stylish in my opinion. I really love the way this looks. Unlocking the car, it's already unlocked. Let me lock, unlock again. They move out. And as soon as you step closer with the key in your hand, swipe, they also open up. Very cool. And now it's time to present you something very, very special on this S-Class. And here we have it, guys, the Brabus S-Class interior. Brabus has redone and finished the entire interior. This looks super sporty and amazing. Let's just go ahead and start talking about the door handle before we step inside. You can clearly see the highlights of this interior with the nice leather trim here with the beautiful looking stitching. Okay, the buttons yet again full finished in shadow chrome, giving it a very, very nice touch. We have the piano panel here. We have these buttons, even look at this, the buttons for the headlight units. These are also finished in shadow chrome. Just have a look at the attention to detail. I love this, honestly. Carbon fiber again, but a different pattern. This is not Mercedes-Benz factory carbon fiber. This is made by Brabus. It looks super, super cool in my opinion, as well as the leather even inside here with the stitching. Lovely. Just look at this. Even the trunk button is finished in shadow chrome. I mean, Brabus is doing a great job. Also, the Burmester speaker covers full finished in shadow chrome. Unfortunately, no 3D Burmester speaker option on that S-Class. Let's continue and start talk about the interior. Brabus entrance board over here, shadow chrome. The floor mats, full black finish, nice double stitching here on this side. We have the normal floor mat, and on the other half it's the stitching which we will find all over the interior as well. We have the brake and gas pedals also finished in shadow chrome, and the nice looking seat. So let's just get right into it and start talking about the interior. But before we do that, let's get the dirt off the shoes. Let's go. Closing the door, soft closing doors of course. And there we are inside the S-Class. Guys, look at this. As if the normal S-Class interior wasn't special enough, Brabus has decided to give a bit more touches. And actually, they made it look perfect. I mean, it's a matter of taste, but you can all agree that the normal piano in the S-Classes doesn't look good. Instead of that, we have full carbon fiber parts made by Brabus. Their own Brabus carbon, as you see here, which looks so special. So let's just get right into it and start talking about the steering wheel, guys. Look at this two-tone steering wheel on the side, full black finish on the top and bottom, white leather finish. We have the full, wait a minute, no way, black stitching, white stitching, black stitching again. Guys, this is attention to detail. Honestly, Normally you have one stitching color, but here you can see the black, white, white, black, black, white, black. Amazing, amazing, guys. The airbag cover, finally. It's also the first time for me to see the airbag cover in full leather on the new S-Class, which looks so cool. The steering wheel looks very, very special. The frames in the bottom, carbon fiber finish, and the normally chrome parts are full finished in shadow chrome on the steering wheel as well. And as you have a closer look, even the shift pedals, full finish in shadow chrome. These buttons here, also full finished in shadow chrome. I wish they replaced them instead of the plastic and did something more Brabus like. All in all, we have the display, we already know. The air vents, full finished in shadow chrome. The start stop button, full finished in shadow chrome. Then we have the center console and dash, full finished in carbon fiber, own Brabus pattern, you see that, which looks very special. It doesn't look like the standard and average carbon fiber. We have every single button, literally everything, even the frame here finished in shadow chrome. Let me just open that up. 2 cup holders as well, wireless charging for your phone. All in all, nice contrast interior, full black on top with the black and white details here, and on the bottom again white with the black leather here, the black floor mats. Very, very nice. Even this, look at this, instead of finishing this in full white, they have decided to give the button, which is also finished in shadow chrome, obviously, a black touch, which looks super cool. I love this. Also with the ambient lighting, it looks amazing. Let's just talk about the seats. The seats full finished in white on the side with the black leather, white details. This is all made by Brabus. We even have the Brabus masterpiece badge on the seats as well. Konstantin Buschmann, CEO of Brabus signature. On the top, headrest double B, white finish. Guys, this is a dream of an S-Class. In the back again, it's not ending. These are the first class seats in the back, as we have the long wheelbase here. You will find a lot of Brabus additional details as well. Double B even on the Kuschelkissen, guys. Brabus masterpiece badge on the side again with the Brabus signature stitching, the shadow chrome, the floor mats, even this, which is normally finished in piano, they have redone and refinished in carbon fiber. You see that? Double B also over here for the third seat, and all in all, lovely finish, guys. I love the way this looks. Compartment over here. How do you like the interior, guys? Before I forget it, it's also time for a sound check. I think Brabus has mounted an exhaust on this, and it's now time to give it a few revs. I don't expect a lot, as the 500 engine is a very, very silent engine, 6-cylinder. Yes, let's just go ahead and start it up, and then we'll see. Let's go. Yeah, you instantly hear it. It doesn't even go high with the revs. Let's just switch it to Sport Plus. Then give it a few revs. Yeah, you have a huge sound difference in lower RPM. You hear that? But in higher RPM, you have just the engine noises. Yeah, okay. Let's just also step outside and listen it from the outside. Let's also listen up to the sound from the outside. I mean, guys, don't expect a lot. Yes, the engine is already on. Yeah, it's way sportier from the outside. We have the noise cancellation in the interior. I mean, an S-Class is not supposed to sound loud. I mean, with the AMG version maybe, but not with the S500. Therefore, you won't even hear the sound from the interior because we have the noise cancellation. The sound from the outside is very, very sporty. It's way sportier than the stock S500. I mean, you don't even need the sound for such a car. What do you guys think? Would you like to have sound, or is this enough for you already? Just leave it in the comment section below. So that's it basically for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching, guys. There will be also part 2 with the Brabus S-Class, where we will be driving it, showing you the driving impressions of this car in the front, in the back, testing out every feature, an autobahn run obviously as well. All in all, how do you guys like it? For me, it's the perfect S-Class. Guys, you know I'm not a fast driver, so I would rather prefer the S500 version of the S-Class, and this thing is just beautiful. It's a mafia car, guys. This is very, very brutal and gangster looking, but all in all also very decent. I mean, the monoblock rims, the full blacked out, the shadow chrome, guys. I love the way this looks. Brabus has yet again smashed it with the S-Class, and I can't wait to finally see the AMG or the Maybach version from Brabus, guys. How do you guys like it? How do you guys like the interior, the exterior, the wheels? Leave it all in the comment section below. Looking forward to see you all again and wish you all a great day. I will be back.